Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Tinder swipes. Now, first of all, go to your Tinder app and as you can see here, go to your account and go to your settings, and after that scroll down and click on delete account. After you have deleted your account, uninstall the app and wait for 24 hours. After your 24 hours is completed, go to Play Store again or your App Store and download Tinder again. And create your new Tinder account with different phone number or log in it with your Facebook account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.